back. Today I'm gonna show you how Hypixel works while playing Hypixel. Sorry that I didn't record for like this long. Like I have my own stuff to do. So like no nerdy stuff, like I'm gonna explain this simply. Like just imagine first thing you need to know, Hypixel is just not one server, like how you would host it. It wouldn't just be one paper server. It would be hundreds or even thousands of servers. Think of Hypixel as like a huge mall. In this mall, you'll probably find Bed Wars stores, Skywars stores, Skyblock stores, Dual stores. Each store is their own server, just like the one I'm playing on. Like, I might stop in the middle because I actually have to focus on the game, but like, I'll try to stay on script. And if Hypixel was just one server, all of their players would just like break. Like Hypixel would just explode because there's like too many players. Oh no. So just now, I just joined another server. So if it was just one server, it would just explode. So that's why they split everything up. So what happened when you actually join Hypixel? So what actually happened when you press join server? You don't just go straight into Bed Wars. You don't go straight to a lobby. First, you connect to something called BungeeCord. BungeeCord is like the police, like the boss. It does not run games. It does not spawn NPCs. It does not load maps. It is only for moving players around. Think of it like a traffic cop or an air traffic controller in like airports. Its only job is to like direct everything and make sure everything is smooth. When you join your Hypixel, BungeeCord says, "Okay, who are you? Hands up. Do not move. Connect to me. Listen to me, or else." And then you'd be like, you would identify yourself. And you're like, dang it. And then which lobby do you want to go to? Or which one should you go to? Then it sends you to a server. The lobby you see is actually a real Minecraft server. But that server is only for walking around, clicking NPCs, showing cosmetics, chatting. The lobby server does not run games. That's why the lobby is so smooth, even with tons of players jumping around. If the lobby crashes, the games will crash. The games don't crash. Not bad. Which is why I can play, even if like, I don't know. Okay, I'm back. I'm so cooked. If the lobby crashes, the games don't crash. That's very important. Clicking a game like Bed Wars, which what I'm playing. Each Bed Wars game runs on its own server, just like this one. It's not just like one server that runs all the games and like it's just like far away. It's more of like all the servers combined to make like this Hypixel experience. Also, Happy Christmas. Let me just kill this guy real quick and then I'll get back to it. Okay, this guy's so hacking. What? Okay, what happens? Does the lobby server start Bed Wars? Nope. Instead, the lobby tells BungeeCord to find a free Bed Wars server, like not like free, but like empty, which you can play on. Then BungeeCord moves you there, like almost instantly. That's why the loading screen flashes, which is like, I don't know if it really flashes, but it should flash if you're slow. So, one Bed Wars server is one match, just like this one. When the match ends, the server kind of shuts down. A new one starts for new players. Which means if I log into another game, I'm probably not on the exact same server. This is called server scaling. Well, most people call it that. Wait a minute. Let me just deal with these people first. So I'm leaving. I'll get back to the point. Oh. Hypixel can start new servers. So basically, summary: Bed Wars can start servers when players join, and Bed Wars can shut down the servers to save resources like power and like Wi-Fi, which for like Hypixel, that's like a lot. I don't care about that. I'll just get these and I'll run away. Wait, what? How did I get what? Why is this so powerful? It's because one game crashing doesn't break everything. Lag will stay low, and then sending you to the least crowd. Well, it's just like really good for like, well, obvious reasons. See if I can get there without this. I don't like wasting this. Wait a minute, let me just go. Okay, now I can use my invis. player login, to manage that, everyone basically, so when you join Hypixel, BungeeCord will check your username, check if you're bad, check if are pulling up. So basically, when you go to a restaurant, it's basically like a restaurant. The waiter says, "Hey, table 1's full. Go to table 3," which is basically like, go to this lobby. That's what basically BungeeCord does. What if a server crashes? If a game server crashes, only that match is affected. Other matches will be fine. Players usually get sent back to the lobby, but this doesn't often happen. If all players were on one server, the lag would be insane. Mobs would freeze, chat would break, everyone would disconnect. So they split the load. This is how big Minecraft networks work. BungeeCord versus Spigot or Paper. BungeeCord moves players between servers, handles connections, no gameplay. Spigot and Paper runs the actual game, handles mobs, blocks, and plugins, one server at a time. Hypixel uses both together. So yeah, Hypixel is not just a server, a world, a map. It's a system of servers. BungeeCord connects everything together, like glue. Without it, Hypixel could not exist. Let's sum it up for super fast. So, Hypixel is many servers. BungeeCord controls player movements, TPing you to the right lobby, etc. Lobbies is basically waiting rooms. Game servers is actual matches. Spigot and Paper crashes are isolated. And lag is reduced. Players are managed smoothly. That's why Hypixel is so big and so stable. If this helped you understand how Hypixel works, please leave a like or comment. If you want a video about how plugins work, how Skyblock servers are different, or how to make your own network or just your own server, just leave a comment and I will help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's